Hey everybody, it's Amanda.
And it's Mike.
And we are
the Highs Do Disney.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's a Funko Pop day.
It's always a good day for Funko Pops.
I feel like every day is a Funko Pop day. There's always pops coming in the mail for us. But today we have two that we ordered like 3 months ago.
Yeah, forever ago now.
Feels like forever. It was in July. And they're finally here. I've already opened them, but I wanted to show them off to you guys. And then we have a box of Funko Pops from our friend Chris over at Bang Bang Potato! And we will get more into why we have those Funko Pops, but I want to show off these first two now. So we got two little boxes here. They came in one big box, but there has to be some sort of unboxing to this, right?
Yeah, it's a double box, so you can unbox the box to unbox the other box.
Yeah, so the first one that we have is Alexander. Yay! Not Alexander Hamilton. Not to get confused, everybody. But it is from Haunted Mansion series. We got the Maid forever ago. That one came in totally fine.
Because the Maid was available, but these two were not.
Yeah, these two were pre-orders. So we got Alexander, and apparently both of these have a chaser to them. We did not get a chaser. I'm a little bummed about it. But our friend Matt over at Teacup for One did. Check out his video. You can see what it's supposed to look like as a chaser. But he's still cute, sitting on his little barrel of explosives there. Okay.
And the next one, I actually don't know what these ones are because I didn't order them, but
he did not. I did.
It's Constance Hatchaway.
Yeah, and again, she's not the chaser. She's just the little version. But she's still so cool. I love these two stretching room characters. I really hope that they come out with the rest of them. Like, I don't know why they wouldn't. I just want more. So we already have the Maid. These two are going to go in the collection. I'm running out of room on this wall.
Yeah, it's already up to the ceiling. So yeah, we're going to have to find more space for our Funko Pops because our collection is now growing. I think we're over 30, I know, before. So now we're probably pushing closer to 40 with all of these that we're getting today.
Yeah, it's okay. But I actually kind of want to put these ones out on display for October since it is Halloween season. Yep. So I think that we're going to pull out the Haunted Mansion ones. And you can see behind me here, we also have the Sanderson sisters. And so I think we're just going to put those ones out on display.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know where.
We'll find some more space for them.
Somewhere. Next box. So next we have a big giant box from our friends over at the Briar Patch family / our friend over at Bang Bang Potato! So while you open that up, I will just kind of tell you guys why we got these. So our friends Wade and Samantha are doing a Run Disney Food and Wine in 2021. They were supposed to do it this year. Coronavirus happened. Run Disney got canceled. It's a whole ordeal, but they are able to do it next year, and they are actually running for a charity. They are running for St. Jude. And so our friends Wade and Samantha, our friend Shook, and our friend Chris over at Bang Bang Potato did a 12-hour live stream of gaming, and they played a bunch of different games with each other, with other people on the internet. They took donations, obviously, and each hour they had a raffle from the people that donated, and you could win different things. And a lot of those were Funko Pops, and we obviously wanted to support them. We obviously wanted to support St. Jude since they are such a great organization, and we also love Funko Pops, so yeah. It was a win-win-win all around. And so they were able to raise, I think, what, $1,600? Yeah,
$1,610 I think is what it went up, or $11.
Which is absolutely amazing. We also definitely put in donations and got our friends to drink pickle juice. They hate pickles.
Pickles, which is awesome. That was very fun as well.
And we also got to watch Samantha shave Chris's leg. So if you want more information about their run and their St. Jude charity and stuff, I'm going to leave those links down below if you want to donate. I think that'd be a great thing because obviously all the money goes right to St. Jude to helping children and their families with medical bills and housing if they need it while they're getting treatments and all that kind of stuff. All that information will be down in the bio. Let's get to that box.
All right, let's open this up.
We know what we're getting, I think, but we haven't like seen them in person. I could be wrong. I think these might be from Chris's collection.
They are from Chris's collection,
okay.
I'm pretty sure. Like
that's what I thought too.
He personally donated these, so they're kind of like, it's a community thing. So he's a big Funko Pop collector as well. He probably has at least 10 times what we have. If not more. He's got walls of Funko Pops. So some of these, a couple of these, I know all of these, but one of these I don't really know where it's from, so I'm going to have to do some more research on it. But the first one that we got here This one is the legendary Chalice Cuphead. I don't know what, it's a game apparently. I'm not familiar with the game. If you are familiar with this game, definitely leave us a comment. It is very cool. It wasn't one that I was going out for, but I definitely am more than excited to have it added to our collection. Maybe I'll have to look at the game and actually play it.
Yeah.
So then I can kind of learn about what this is going on.
Kind of like a...
it's a chalice.
It's like a Mrs. Potts.
Yeah.
Relative.
Yeah. The other one I am familiar with, if you played this game as a kid, you definitely know this guy. It's Mega Man!
Woo!
Really awesome video games to play. So many different games that you can play of his. Super excited to have this one to our collection.
He also kind of looks like the guy from Tron.
Yeah.
I've only seen Tron.
But he's Mega Man.
I've only seen Tron once, and I don't know Mega Man. I didn't play video games as a kid. Okay.
Yeah, I played it a lot. I don't think I ever beat the game. It's like a Mario style game, but you have a little blaster in your hand. You can run out and shoot. So many cool things. Very fun. I'll have to play it, I guess. Another video game she's gotta play.
Yep. This is one I'm excited about.
This is a very pumped for this one. This is Mickey Gamer.
He's so cool.
He's got headphones on. He's got a video controller. He's sitting on the ground.
He literally looks like me while I'm playing Animal Crossing.
Yeah, except for the headphones. But so we thought it was really cool. I really wanted to get this one, so I definitely wanted to donate. I was lucky enough to win these, so thank you so much for this one. He's probably one that I'm most excited about. Actually,
that's not true.
I mean, he's not the one I'm most excited about.
I love him. I literally this is what. This is just so cool. I no words.
So this Funko Pop is a special gift from Chris. Bang bang. One of the giveaways that they had was a Funko Pop that I really wanted. It was really awesome. I did not get it. It did go to a mom who had a couple kids who really wanted it, so it's going to some really awesome kids who are going to enjoy it just as much as I would, if not more. So he sent this one to me. This is a very special one to me. I'm super excited to have this guy. This is the pinnacle of my portion of the collection. So super excited. This is a Darth Vader concept series. I'm super excited to have in our collection. It's from the 2020 Galactic Convention. I'm not really familiar with that, but I know it's quite exclusive. Super excited to have this one. I'm a big Star Wars buff. Gonna add that to my Star Wars collection. So thank you so much, Chris, for sending this to me. As an extra special bonus.
Yeah.
We're so happy to donate to St. Jude. So, no issues there. Thank you so much.
See ya.
She's going to look at it now. He's awesome. He's holding a lightsaber. And it's just like an epic stance. Like, it's so good. I might have to pull him out and actually stand him up.
Yeah.
On the shelf. I may have to remove... Whatever happened to Luke Skywalker?
He's on the wall somewhere up there.
Okay, you put him back in the box.
I think he's up in the box somewhere. Yeah, we need to figure this whole Funko Pop situation out. Guys, help us with this whole Funko Pop situation. I will put in a video here of our Funko wall so that we can show it off. So again, I just want to say thank you so much to Chris over at Bang Bang Potato for adding that in. That was just the icing on the cake, and we just had such a great time watching that live stream. They will be doing another one hopefully in the new year. It'll be longer. There might be some special guests involved. This thing might be happening, and it might be a trip.
Yeah.
In person.
So
who knows? It's all in the works. We have no idea. It could not come to fruition. But we definitely need your help with figuring out the whole Funko Pop wall thing, because there's no...
growing out of control.
There's no room for these Funko Pops anywhere at this point. We do have one of those shelves on the opposite wall behind the camera here where you can't see. It's one of those IKEA shelves that I think the Funko Pops would fit really nicely on. But we have like pictures and Legos and mini ears and like crafty stuff up on that. So like if we needed to, we could do that, but like where am I supposed to put all these Funkos? We need a wall. I think maybe once we like buy a house or something in the future, that we will have a full Funko wall. We rent right now. We're not going to build the whole Funko wall when this isn't our, forever home, or at least where we're going to be for a long time. So I want one of those Funko walls.
Yeah.
They look so cool. But yeah, let us know how you show off your Funkos, because I have no idea how to display them. They're not even, like, you can see, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 in frame right now?
Yeah, there's a lot of them over there.
There's a ton.
They are literally touching the ceiling, like I said earlier.
So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, we would love to have you subscribe. Click that button down there. Leave a like. Again, let us know how we can display our Funko Pops because we have no idea what we're doing. And next week, we're going to have a giveaway video.
Yay.
So excited.
The other thing you can do too as well is follow us on Instagram. If you do have your own Funko Pop collection, please post it and tag us in it at The Highs Do Disney. Hashtag The Highs Do Disney. And we would love to see your Funko Pop wall and how you display them and show them off.
Yeah, so I guess with that, we will see you on Monday for another Disney video, Thursday for a cooking video, and then next weekend for a giveaway.
Yeah.
Bye.
Peace.